Well, this next tape's about that one chick I told you about when I was unfaithful to Angel Skinner and I stepped outside of the relationship and stuff. And anyways, this is dedicated to a spot on this side of town that most of you guys have been to because I've seen you there. Hit it, Dusty. There's a house in Greenwood. It's called the 2 for 1. And they have a whore you pay just once, but she'll give you twice the fine. They called her names like Four Eyes, and she had a double chin, but she wasn't some old hefty whore. Turns out she was a Siamese twin. And her sister's name, I forget, and you had to pay them separate, even though they shared a tit. My right hand was on her left titty, hey baby, and my left reached for her right there, and my lips stayed on that middle tit, and I slept like a baby that night.